Today is finally the day that we get to join our lives together permanently, but not just as your husband, but as your friend, partner, and biggest supporter. Give me your bad hair days, your burnt coffee, your reruns of The Office, and every lost key ever. Give me your every day, and I promise to give you my whole heart and all of my determination to make you as happy as can be. Let me be the shoulder you lean on and the companion of your life. With this ring, I promise that you'll never have to face this world alone. I'm all yours in the end.
Kyle, over the past 2+ decades, I have looked at you in a million different ways, and I've loved you in each. Many people move on from their first love to eventually feel the heartache from the one that got away, and finally to the one they fall in love with and get to share the rest of their lives with. I will never take for granted the fact that you have been all of these loves for me throughout my lifetime. Honey, I knew right at that very moment it had always been and will always be you. And then 11 years ago when you took me on a date to Appalumpkin and bought us mashed potato sundaes for breakfast, I knew right then I would choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality I'd find you and I would choose you.
Make this your bride.